Good morning, my friends. I've got this Rapid 14 stapler to repair. It's made in Sweden, and I see there. Now, what actually happened is this part, you can see it come out here, and this is supposed to stay in and only push down the stapler or the staple. So it is stick there. You don't want to go back, and it's not supposed to come out so far, and it's not very springy as it was according to the owner. So I need to open it in some way to understand what's going on. So I think to load it, it's from this side, so it must go out. It slipped out here, so let's try. I don't want to make the video too long because I see lately my videos is very long. That was actually easy. You press down there on that one and then pull it back, and there is a staples. It is heavy duty, and now I can start investigate what is going on there. I'll bring you back again. Guys, I'm going to hammer this part back. I've got the idea it is just dry, and WD-40 will do the trick for us. Let's see if I can get it back into its position. Okay guys, I checked and do whatever I can do, and there's no way that I can get that part back. I even take the rubber handle off that sit here to see if I can see inside something, and I can't open it because there's some, you can see there's some it is fixed there on 3 places, so we have to drill that out and open it. But what I did see is I found this, you can see there are 3 pieces. It is very hard, like a Bakelite or a very strong plastic or something that came out of the machine. So I'm not sure if that has something to do with the fact that it doesn't work. I will discuss it with the owner. If he said he will scrap it, we will open it and see what actually happened. But for now, I just I first need to talk to him. Okay, let's hear what you say. Okay, good morning, my friends. It's now the next day, and we have permission from the owner to dig in, and I'm going first to remove that pin. Don't know what you call that pin, which hold the handle, and hopefully I can remove this part and see where the problem is. I've got something higher there. It's now very close. Okay, I think it's out. Okay, there's the spring pin, and let's see what jumped out. Something still hold it, but I'm going to try and remove this part. Bring you back. Okay guys, it's coming out. There's the thing that we must remember. Can you You see? Okay, so there is that part that don't want to move up. So we must check why come. Let's take it out. So I must investigate how does it work now, guys. Nothing seems broken. There's a spring action. There's just something weird going on. So let me just inspect it a little bit, my friends. Okay guys, I think I sort out what is the problem. You see, this is part of the handle. That. So if you pull that or push it down, and you see this notch there, so the notch fit into that part of the handle, and that is supposed to pull up. If it sits like that, and then when you pull the handle, it must bring up this part, and this is spring loaded. You can see there, if I press it, can you see? I hope you can see. I press it now with my thumb. You can see how it go up and it slip. This is little bit weared off. I hope you can see. So it does not grab onto that notch, and this is where the problem sit. So I will have to see how can I manage. Maybe bend this a little bit more in so that there's more space for that to grab it. So I'm going to see if I can modify this piece a little bit, and then it should work. So I'll bring you back again. Okay guys, I've got it back together, everything, but it is weared out. This handle have on the point here inside, I have a sharp point that grab onto a hole in that plate, and it is totally wear off. So it needs a new handle to work again.